Have you been studying English grammar for months or even years, but you still struggle to speak English? You know what a noun is. You know what a verb is. You have learned tenses. You have solved grammar exercises. But when someone asks you, "Can you tell me about yourself?" your mind goes blank. If this sounds familiar, you are not alone. Many of English learners make the same mistake. They believe, first I will master English grammar, then I will start speaking. But that day never comes. What if I told you that grammar isn't the first step to speak English confidently? In fact, studying grammar first may actually slow down your progress. In this video, I will explain why this happens, and I will show you a much better way to learn English. Let's begin. When I started learning English, I thought grammar was everything. I bought grammar books. I memorized rules. I solved exercises. Whenever I made a mistake, I felt I wasn't ready to speak. So I kept waiting. Weeks became months, months became years, but I still couldn't speak confidently. Then one day I changed one habit. Instead of learning grammar all day, I started learning real English through sentences. That small change made a huge difference. For the first time, I stopped thinking about grammar rules. I started thinking in simple English sentences. I realized that English is a language to use, not just a subject to study. Here is the biggest myth. You must know perfect grammar before speaking. That's simply not true. Think about children. Do they learn grammar first? No. They listen, they repeat, they copy, they speak. And later they learn grammar in school. That's why they become natural speakers. English learners often do the opposite. They study rules first and postpone speaking. That's why progress feels slow. Speaking is a skill, and every skill improves through practice, not just by reading about it. Grammar is like traffic rules. Traffic rules help you drive safely, but reading the rulebook alone won't teach you how to drive. You learn by driving. Grammar works the same way. Grammar helps you speak more accurately, but you become fluent by using English, not by only reading grammar rules. So don't avoid grammar. Just don't let grammar stop you from speaking. Grammar is the map. Speaking is the journey. You need both, but you don't learn journey by only looking at the map. Instead of spending 1 hour only on grammar, try this. Step 1. Listen to simple English for 10 minutes. Step 2. Read 5 simple sentences aloud. Step 3. Repeat those sentences several times. Step 4. Change 1 or 2 words. For example, I like tea, I like coffee, I like music, I like cricket. Now you have learned grammar naturally without memorizing a rule. Your brain starts noticing patterns instead of memorizing rules. That's how language learning really works. Instead of learning subject plus verb plus object, learn I eat breakfast, she drinks water, they play football, we study English. Can you see the pattern? Without opening a grammar book, you have learned something important. After seeing hundreds of similar sentences, your brain starts recognizing patterns. That's how grammar becomes natural. Many learners stay silent because they are afraid of grammar mistakes. But remember, you improve by speaking, not by waiting. Every mistake teaches you something. Silence never teaches you anything. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. So don't wait to become perfect. Start speaking today. Here is your daily routine. Listen to English for 10 minutes. Read 10 sentences aloud. Learn 5 new words. Speak for 5 minutes about your day. Spend 10 to 15 minutes learning one grammar point and notice it in sentences you read or hear. This balanced approach helps you improve all your skills together. Do this consistently and you will notice steady progress. Let's review today's lesson. Don't wait until you know all the grammar. Start listening, start reading, start speaking, and learn grammar step by step while using English. Remember, grammar helps you speak better. Speaking helps you become fluent. The destination isn't perfect grammar. The destination is able to understand people, express your thoughts, and communicate with confidence. Now I have a challenge for you. Today, speak one simple English sentence, even if it is not perfect. Write that sentence in comment. I will read the comments and help you improve. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who believes they must know perfect grammar before speaking. In episode 4, we will learn how to build your first 50 everyday English sentences, because sentences, not isolated grammar rules, help you communicate. This is Saroj. Thank you for being part of this English journey. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking today.